Welcome to Cortburg Speaks Retirement, an audio podcast about investing in the stock market, financial planning, money management, and retirement planning. Each Wednesday, we help investors at all stages of life learn how to potentially grow and preserve their money from first job through retirement. Now here's your host, Miguel Gonzalez.
Good morning and welcome to the Cortburg Speaks Retirement audio podcast. On this week's audio podcast, I share a few ideas to get you started on the path to creating financial resolutions for the new year. It is a new year and the time of year when you want to make resolutions about your personal life, business life, and finances. It is the perfect time for couples to get started and set their own financial goals for the upcoming year. Need a few ideas to get started? Below I share a few resolutions worth taking into consideration. Number one, be more open with your money discussions. Talking about finances may be difficult even when you're talking with a loved one, but being open and honest about it is crucial for a healthy relationship. By laying everything on the table, you may avoid any surprises down the road that may lead to relationship strain. Number two, you want to start saving or increase your savings for retirement. Even if your retirement years seem a long way off, the earlier you save, the more you're likely to accumulate by the time you retire. If you're both working, look at your company's 401k and see if it is wise to invest more in one than the other based on employer matching. You may also want to use this time to consider other savings vessels that will help you have more of a diversified financial portfolio. Number three, pay down that debt. So pay your debt down. The first of the year is the ideal time to make a plan to pay down or pay off your debt. Start by providing a clear picture of your current debt along with how much each month you're paying on it. Start with the highest interest debt first to save money, which may then be used to pay down debt further. Number four, create a realistic budget that you will stick to. If you already have a budget, the new year may be the perfect time to review it. If you don't, now is the time to get one laid out. Start by gathering all of your monthly bills as well as the total of your debt. Determine how much you will need for the most necessary items. Then determine how much money you'll be able to put in savings and use to pay down debt. Make sure that you have enough steady income coming in to stick to your budget. And if the budget is too tight, you may need to consider other income options or ways to cut costs. And number five, beef up your emergency fund. Emergencies come when it is least convenient, and if you're not prepared for them, you may quickly derail your budget and savings plan. Make sure you put money away each month into an emergency fund until you get around 3 to 6 months worth of expenses built up. Once you get that, replenish the funds as they are used. Once you have an accurate picture of your finances and financial goals, the next step is to contact a financial professional to develop a plan to set you towards your couple's financial goals. You may also want to visit our website, www.cortburgretirement.com. Our site is filled with educational videos, ebooks, publications, and financial calculators designed to help you learn more about your finances. As you search our site, send us a note regarding any questions you may have about any particular investment concepts or products, and we will get back to you quickly with a thoughtful answer. This is Miguel Gonzalez, Certified Retirement Counselor, Managing Partner with Cortburg Retirement Advisors, signing off for this week's educational podcast.
The opinions expressed and material provided are for general information and should not be considered a solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or a solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decision. Securities offered through LPL Financial. Member FINRA SIPC. Investment advice offered through Private Advisor Group LLC, a registered investment advisor. Private Advisor Group LLC and Cortburg Retirement Advisors Inc. are separate entities from LPL Financial. Investing involves risk, including possible loss of principal.